Okay, hi, my name is Baiba, and today I am going to be joined by Mable, my brother's cat.
Meow.
Mable? Yes?
Meow.
What? There's a giant cake? Well, I guess she is right. Today, I'm gonna be joined by Mable, and we are going to be opening this giant gummy cake. It says mini candy cake. So let's open it up and let's see what's inside. All right, so Mable, thank you for this gummy. So now let's see and try if we can open this up. What, Mable? I'm opening it. Isn't that what you want? Let's take this box out of the way. Okay, it is still in some sort of like plastic over it. So, what can I need Whoa. Okay. Let's see if I can gently. Okay, there is our cake. This thing is really, well, it smells really fruity, and I see lots of sugar and fluffy stuff. I like the detail on these gummies because they're heart-shaped. Right now it just really likes smelling that. Okay, so now that this thing is finally open, this thing smells delicious. I cannot wait to take a bite of these giant gummy marshmallow sweet sugary goodness. It looks amazing, I'll just say. Okay, so let's try the Mable, stop. Let's try the gumdrop. Okay, that is really hard, kind of. The inside is good, but it's hard on the inside. Okay, so next up we have this heart gummy. That looks really cool, so let's try it. That is so good. Kind of tastes like a marshmallow with a fruity taste, but it's not as soft and as squishy as a marshmallow. So this was a great one. Better than the gumdrop. That one was not good.
I want to have one.
Okay, so that one was a great success. Sorry we had to stop the video because my brother wanted to try a piece of the heart. You can see him in the Kinder Egg video if you'd like. I think the last one we're gonna have today is this. Looks like kind of like a smile. Okay, let's try it. Okay, that one's really stretchy. Kind of tastes like the heart, but it's just a teensy bit more sour than it is. So thank you everybody for watching me and Mable, and having this gummy cake. I got this from the state fair, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Like if you like it, and well, bye!